伞。
Hi everyone, we are the students of National Hopi Senior High School.
My name is Cindy.
My name is 林佳杰。
My name is Miko.
My name is Huang Yuting.
My name is Cai Pei
My name is Chen Xiaoyu.
This is our reporter. It's about Yanshui Beehive Firecracker and the Fire and Water Spring of Guanling.
The beehive firecracker is a dangerous activity.
You may get hurt when you join it.
The fire and water spring is a special view in Guanziling.
Because a gas mixed with hot spring, the fire can burn on the water.
Thank
Thank
you
you
for
for
your
your
listening.
listening.